motherfucker.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Get ready to rumble!
Pump up the jam, yo, pump it up, yo, pump it. Y'all ready for this? I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Give it up, yeah.
Welcome to the big show. Simply wait.
Pump it up while your feet are stumping and the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight, make my day. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight, make my day. Pump up the jam, pump up the jam, pump up the jam, pump up the jam, pump it up, up.
The 25 breaks a couple of tackles. And look at him go! And look at him go! He could go all the way.
Hey, you, get out of our way because today is the day we will put you away.
It's fun to stay in the YMCA. It's fun to stay in the YMCA. They have everything for young men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. Let's get ready to rumble. Get ready to rumble.
Pump up the jam, yo, pump it up, yo, pump it.
Aggressive, be aggressive.
Simply en fuego.
Swing. Come on, swing. Swing.
I thought the mic was on. Damn it. And, damn it, I was hoping we'd get this inverse head and shoulders and explode there and just be like, yeah! We still kind of have the inverse head and shoulders. But, anyway. This is my jam as a kid. I mean, I just love this song. Donnie D, break it down! Come on, Donnie D, let's go! Donnie D's on the back up. Drug freak, so put the crack up. No need for speed, I'm anti. D-R-U-G-G, I need my body's healthy. My arms make me wealthy, and the funky bunch helps me to read. Ah! So come on, feel the vibration. Let's go! Woo! Can you feel it, baby?
Can you feel it, baby?
Because I can too. Woo, woo, woo! I'm feeling it today. I love Mondays. Did I tell you guys that? I am going to test drive a GT4 RS here in about 3 hours from right now too as well. So in 3 hours from right now, you think I'm in heaven right now? You wait till about 3 hours from right now. Oh yeah, what total vibration. Watch for the trend line crack here on ATCH. The last one worked out pretty nicely, as you can see. This one's just about the same degree of angle as the last one. This one's actually a lot prettier than the last one as well. As you can see, the top portion of resistance is right about right there. Right there. Got $1, bub. Austin Trader, how you doing? Aussie Chick, no way what? Let's see, best I could come up with the gifts available. What's Aussie Chick, no way? First you said, oh yeah, now you're saying no way. Who's ready for Dallas, though? Green Days? You ready for Dallas, Green Days? You coming? Green Days, did you vote? Green Days, you coming? Aussie Chick says she already voted. Bartman already voted. We have the 2 dates clarified, and it might be the August date, just to let you know for sure. Just because CR Trader, I want him to come back. We know CR Trader in chat. Waiting for him to hear back from, waiting for him to get back from Costa Rica. CR Trader, Costa Rica. He gets back today. That he can't go the June dates. I want him there, and then anyway, so for Kate, some of the people that went for the first time around, I'm trying to get them to come back because the people in the second time around, some of them already live in DFW. You know, people texting me and I love it. Here we go. All right. Fred, Austin Trader. And so it's looking like it's going to be the August dates. August 3rd through August the 7th. August 3rd through August the 7th. Green Days, you in? You coming? Green Days, do you live in DFW too? Bartman lives in DFW. He's in. Mamba Trader lives in DFW. He's in. I got Austin Trader trying to get him back for round 2. I got K. Clausen coming back for round 2. We got CR Trader, date-wise, hoping August was the better date, so I'm waiting for him to get back to verify. And then Mafia. So it's looking like I'm trying to... And Engineers is kind of a... I think she's in... We don't know. Engineers always over in J-Trade's lobby. We're gonna celebrate. So anywho and anyhow, anyway. So Green Days, are you in? Green Days, you in? Go up, vote. August sound good. August 3rd through the 7th. Green Days, you in? 17, because I did the math, and so it's $17.47 per person. The last time around was 2.5 trading days, and it was $12.47 per person if you got your own room, which there was like 3 or 4 rooms. This one, everyone pretty much gets their own room. And so I did $12.47 divided by 2.5, came out to be like almost $500 a person. It's like, I forgot what it was. And so in the end, it was like I forgot what it was, but it was 17. I remember in the end, it was 17. It's like $17.50, literally, for 3.5 trading days was what it was. It was like $17.50 for 3.5 trading days. And so I was like, well, boom, oh, that's awesome. $17.47 it is. So $17.47 for 3.5 trading days. Food's taken care of. We're gonna get a boat, go out and go tubing. You'll get great, amazing, of course, meeting people from across the world. Of course, most of them live here now, but like the last one, we had someone from Afghanistan, Costa Rica, Buenos Aires, and Dominican Republic, right? Puerto Rico. I think that was all. I can't remember. Puerto Rico, Costa Rica. No, it's it. It wasn't Dominican. It was that was it. Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, Buenos Aires, and Afghanistan. It would have been Australia if Aussie Chick was there. Aussie Chick's coming to this one and will represent Ray Gun and the beautiful Australian flag. And we'll put so many... Oh, I've got two. Aussie Chick. Aussie Chick. Trendline crack on ATCH, by the way. Aussie Chick. I've got to do shrimps on the Barbie. There's no way, Aussie Chick. There's no way, Aussie Chick, that you don't get shrimps on the Barbie. There's no way, no how. You're 100% getting that. Sean Whirl, you and damn Neil need to come to the AKNR, caveman. I'd love to see you drive your damn truck on over. Just tell him you're just borrowing the truck for a weekend, going to Dallas to make some runs with that Toyota product. Cousin Greg, damn it, when are you cousin Greg? Fluffer from another muffer, why aren't you coming to Dallas? Direct flight, straight from where you live. Flight's $223. Come on. Daddy, what would be a good bounce play on ATCH? The best bounce play on ATCH is going to be right here at 840-50 area. Right here, handsome. The support from earlier, bam, bam, VWAP's there. We bounced there earlier. I would go 850 to 830, somewhere in there. That is your only bounce play. I say only, but that would be the best. Your other one for risky biscuit traders would be somewhere right around right here at 950. Kind of like we're basing off a little higher now than we were, and this is kind of the bounce, 970 really. So bounce, 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 850. The bounce below 850, you would have to, man, look at all that volume from earlier. Look at that volume. I would go back down, and I'd have to get over here to this chart. Let's go to ATCH. Right here, my man. Right around this area. 690 to 6, somewhere in here. I don't know where it would happen at. You could challenge this 775 as well. I bet that sees a bounce possibly for a minute. It hangs up there. These are no-brainer. It's going to hang up. Now, how does the bounce happen? Does the bounce happen? I took a $10 bounce. Cousin Greg would be happy. Everybody in chat, Tay, where you at? I went long in a one-on-one with Caveman at the $10 area, baby. I even called in the first one-on-one. Where's that shit-ass wob piece of shit at? Halting 100 times. I even called the 130 bounce. And the question I always get, or not always, but a lot, but how do you know it's gonna? I don't know. I get asked. It's funny. Like if I feel like I do have a crystal ball. The way I get asked, how do you know it's gonna bounce there? Well, I don't know. My trend line cracks are always gonna work, or my shelf cracks. But I loved it. I loved it this morning. Got the question from Reese, and Reese, I love you. But I'm like, hey, I don't know. I just know, though, because I know. I'm a 90% trader, and that's what I always want to say jokingly, that I do have the crystal ball. And come on, because I got a crystal ball. You doubting me? You doubting me? How do I know it's not going to tank through there? How do I know? Because I got a crystal ball. Thanos gave it to me. Gives it to me every Sunday. Monday's my favorite. I remember everything from last night. It's freaking right on the tip of my eyeballs. I even said this for the risky biscuit trader. I said, watch for a bounce at 160 to the VWAP when it was halted down right here. And sure shit enough, whammity woom boom. But I told him the more safe, typical, more green candle kind of bounce is in. You'll see a bounce because we didn't get it there because it was only one candle. It was a bounce, but it was only one green candle. Okay, let that be known and let it be said. There will be another bounce on old Fred. So when you have a play that runs 200 whatever percent, 300% like this did, and also, by the way, in pre-market, who called for this to run to $2 or a little hair over it? Should have fucking went long when I called that shit. Anyway, if you see a bounce play like this team, and it was only one quick green candle, halt up, now we're coming down, there will be a better bounce play below that will last longer is my point. And it was right here off the plateau. Not only the plateau, but why, team? Because what we did, we broke out, right? Don't forget what we did from the support resistance area. You know, that's huge. Let's go back over to Meta. And who fucking banked with me today on Meta? And I called this in pre-market. I said under 682, this thing is going to dump-a-roo. Why? Because there's nothing in charting under 680, or where the hell are we? 692. Oh no, that was on Friday. It's 682 today. Yeah, shit. All right, 682 today. Because under 682, sorry team, And look at the dumpy rumpy ding dongs. Oh, what I called it. Oh, is Reese still around? If Reese Poo Pie is still around, I said watch under 666 for this to get to 661 to 662. Oh, they don't call me the chart magician for nothing. I'm just going to change my name to the chart magician. Or how about just the magician? I kind of like that. Do y'all like that name? I know y'all like AK and AK47, but I almost want to name myself. I'm just going to rename myself the magician. I like it. The magician. And I said under 682, watch for the Nuska Nuka Mop Bomb. Short City, under 682. Okay? This is what I'm looking for in plays. Finding the chart, finding the setup. Same thing, day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out. Right? So back to this play, and just the rule of thumb here would be, well, I see the bounce that happened. I get it real quick. Well, it was so quick, and on a play that was up 100, 200% or more, it will see a traditional multi-candle bounce. And we sure enough got it. And again, why the reversal? What did we do from here? We funkotunda kantatingdanged. Okay? That was a big move. So now we know we're probably going to hold some support right there. That makes sense, team? Does that make sense? Oh, and the trend line crack. Oh, and the trend line crack. And the trend line crack. Man, it's just trading the same thing day in, day out, team. We're just repeating. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. You will be magicians as well. All right. And get green days. That was just CR Trader. CR Trader says those days I'm pretty sure work. I will verify and let you know tomorrow. Hell yeah, let's go. Who's going to Dallas? Who's ready? Look at the trend line crack. This is why we trade the best setups of all time. Now, again, a little overextended. Yes, I know, and what I typically may not trade because it's a little bullish, but still just how well trend line cracks work. I love it. All right, back to chat. I'm so far behind. Green Day's Dallas. You're dancing, I hope so. Sean Worrell, how you doing? And then you're twerking. Giovanni, you handsome, beautiful soul. How you doing? Molly, hopefully you and the kids are doing good. All that laundry you did this weekend. Holy laundry freaking city. Aussie. Oi. Definitely get some shrimps on the Barbie. I mean, what I'll do is when I cook the porterhouses this time, team, you got to come back. You got to come this time now. You're going to miss out if on round one they're going to be a little jealous because I'm not only going to do those porterhouses just like last time. I'm adding some shrimp on the bar. That's right. I'm just going to load up every Barbie stick with just a bunch of shrimp. Just a bunch of shrimp. Nothing but shrimps. And so I can just handle, and it'll just be great to handle like 8 shrimps on a Barbie. Let's see here. You're taking her for a test. Oh, no. Yes. Aussie chick. Yes. We are now 2 hours and 40 minutes away. I'll be there about 2 o'clock my time, 3 o'clock Eastern. So essentially noon your time on the West Coast there, Aussie chick. I will be seeing a GT4 RS finally in person, smelling it, and then, yes, almost trembling, taking it for a drive. You know, I'll be like, oh, I can't even, the emotions and the feelings. But yes, and then heavily weighing over the options there. And then, you know, probably talking it through this week. But, I mean, it's going to be hard, especially if I do get to, I want it so bad, but I have I just got $100,000 last year. Last year, 6 acres, $110,000 land. July, that was in March, April. Let's go 2 months later. I traded in my 90,000 Jeep Wrangler 392 for $110,000 392 final edition Jeep Wrangler. There's $220,000 in the past 2 years. Right, not past in the past 2 years. In the past, right there in last year, right there, right, just last year, just a few seconds ago. Now we're talking the same as both of those in a car, with taxes $240. And within the next 12 months, I plan and expect and want to start a $600,000 house build. AK racking up $1 million bill in a hurry. Like, that's what I thought about. It finally hit me. I was like, maybe I'll wait. Oh, man. But yes, I'm taking it for a drive. But yeah, it's two. That's literally essentially would be $1 million if I got the car with the house build. It kind of makes me go, whoa, 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 slow down. But yes, Testy, taking it for a Testy. Green Days you are in. You said yes, sir. Blueprints, what are your thoughts on Q? Whoa, what is this multi-layered ticker you got for me? Q. Oh, the bounce play. Did you get it? Who asked for the bounce play? Who asked for the bounce play? Who asked for it? Dang it, did I miss it? Was it earlier? Daddy. Anyone else take it? Man, I'm so glad that my bounce plays are back on. I took a bounce play all the way up here at 10 team. That's how well I know. That's how. Let's go. The fucking shit pumps me up. I love days like today. Blueprints. QV. What is this? Hold on. QVC? You shopping over there, bro? GB. Oh, good God. What happened here? Let's see, the initial soccer. Is this a new IPO play too on top of it? Yeah, maybe, possibly. These plays have been popping, rocking, and topping, and dropping, and rolling. 875 roll. If you're looking for a bounce play, I would come down to... Yeah, I would come down to this one. I would skip out on the 681 right there, Blueprints. And I would come down to this one where we halted up at 550, because then you have the VWAP and this right here, right behind you. You got a little support. This, of course, I think is too low. This one would be my favorite and best bet. I would be so hesitant to just jump in at this point toward the top side. Oh yeah, Aussie chick says deal for sure. Sean, you and Amish, let's go. Can you go over the morning trades and potential trades with a little breakdown? Yeah, okay, so Meta's no-brainer. Meta was already old. If you got those, that's a no-brainer. My morning alerts, if you get my morning alerts, that's why you always need to go back over and listen to them. It was easy. 682, there's nothing. I've already went over that. It's a no-brainer. This is just you just jump in. You see anything under 682, there's nothing here to hold this play up. I just jump in on these plays. You can wait for candlestick confirmation, but once you get below this, you just jump in. Now, I missed the first portion. I was in with Reese, but by the time I got into a second one, I got some more of that trade. But I missed the first portion because I was really, really worried about small caps, and it was kind of choppy at first. But this is right out of the gate, my man. You can use candlestick confirmation if you want to. You can just get in with momentum on the way down. You could wait for that bear flag to form and then even get in here. Oh, it's kind of a lot. What I typically do on these, if I was watching this really hard at the gate, which I had so many small caps to keep my eye on, you can see it's 682.50, 30, whatever. And the lowest shadow right there is what, 682.02? So I thought it was right around 682. So essentially what I do is I go, okay, that's my lowest shadow. There's nothing below that at all for however many days. So then when the day happens, you just wait for candlestick confirmation, which these two candles, boop, boop, would have been your entry, right? And then you're just going back to past chart history here and trying to find on the chart where under this am I going to. And so I don't see anything. The only thing I saw and told traders in chat, it was this mark. I didn't see a lot. I know I forgot what levels I mentioned, but this to me was a magnet to 676. Like, it was just a done deal. And then when we crack that, then you're trying to find more levels, because we did go further down, as you could tell. Well, let's go further, because you can tell we went all the way down to the sixes. So the first level is the open of this day. And then you're trying to go back in time and literally, you're doing your best to find levels, and there's just not a lot. That's why I mentioned, oh, fuck. Look, listen to this. Listen to this. Listen to this. Everyone stay with me. This is just going to make you want to come to the AKNR even more. Yeah. AKNR, you're going to want you're going to want to come to the AKNR. Okay, let's go to weekly preview.
Just got a shipment
On the
of the
downtrend.
dopest dope I've ever smoked.
It's the dopest dope I've ever smoked.
Margo, when I need you to lay down, Moo
Moo. Oh, Marmoo.
Cup and handle like some room to run under 6 right here. We started February with this nice uptrend channel. Nothing great though. because we kept giving back.
That's why you need to be watching
We
these.
talked about in the weekly preview last week. So on the way back on down, we got some room to run under 682 for the move down minimum to 672, if not to 670 for your normal low of the week. 660 ultimate low. On the way back on up, watch for 692 to 693 to
I love today. Today is a good day. So, there's rescale out. You kind of get that now. All right, so back over to the pre-market trades here. God, I got to go through them all now. Oh, my God, I had so many. Today has been a long today. It's been a long one. ATCH, the short. And my morning alerts to you guys. Right here, under 470 for the short down. I told everyone in my lobby, Dex lobby morning alert, said under 470 for the short down. It was a really quick candle, but I got in at 462. As soon as it started cracking down, I got in at 462. Saw that little lower shadow, came up, confirmed right at it. I was a little like, yeah, ooh, what do I do? I'm going to wait on it a little bit more. Is it going to pop up on me? It started cracking back on down. As soon as I saw that lower shadow again, I'm like, you better get in now. And I did. I put a limit, I'm trying to get that limit order in, and get it in and get filled. And I got filled. And then, boom, my first target was right here. I said 535 was what I wanted, down to this 525 mark. And that's exactly where we came to, and I took half right away, right after I got in. As soon as I came down in that same candle, I took half, right around the probably like 640 is where I got filled at. Then it starts building this little micro bear flag, and I told everyone in chat, I'm holding on, we're going to go down to 4. And as soon as we got down to the 4, and in my morning alerts, you can go back and listen, I took it somewhere as soon as we got into the 4, I think it was 412 was my exit price on that. I got pretty good low of day at the time. I say low of day, but low in the run. Out at 412 was done. Then it starts, building this beautiful, because I'm going to say with display, bottom. And then we've seen so many of these red to green plays. And so I'm not surprised at all that we broke this extended downtrend somewhere through here and started doing this. Old resistance becomes new support. Old resistance becomes new support. Great, and it's running technically sound. And trust me, if Reese is around, he'd vouch for me. Where I was like, this is where I moved to. I moved away from trying to trade STX STEC. I moved away from it too much, and I missed a good short. I told everyone in my morning alerts, and I said under 235, 240, go for the short. And I wish I would have taken it now because it did never see that area until anyway. You get my point. And so I stayed away from it. I did take, though, real quickly before I go back to it. But then the other one, right here, I called it out. And I just told you, if you just were hearing me, Sean, I called it out, but I stayed away from it. I didn't like the action. I moved over to ATCH. But I did get an MLGO short. I mean, beautiful short on the way down. And I missed this part of it. But right when it cracked this 632 mark, boom, for a halt down, I got in. I was in right before we halted down because we cracked the shelf. And I knew we had room down. So I was zoom in from like right here-ish, right? And so what I was looking at was a crack of this 630 mark, and I got in for the move into the halt down, got the gap down, and so I was in right through here. I got out, and of course, what happens, because my target, let's just go through this, and I'm not sorry if I never do stop losses. If you need me to go back through, I can do stop losses. I just never have to worry about I never really have to worry about them. So I'll zoom in right here, right? So as soon as we get this move below, right here, I knew there was something weird. Right here, right below that, and I got in right before it halted down, truly. Right before it halted down, my entry price was like 611, 612. I knew at that point, the only thing I was worried about was 6, this 590 to 6 mark. If I knew we get through 590 or 6, I knew I immediately was coming to 570. Probably going to see more likely going to see this 550, 540 area. With my ultimate goal being right back down here to 510. I just didn't think we'd crack through after hours. I just didn't on MLGO today. I didn't foresee this coming. So again, got in right before it halted down. As soon as she came live, like I always do, and it was right at that target area I was worried about because, well, not worried about, it was under it, so I knew I was at my target because we were open under 590, which I love. So I took half my profit, as always, in the market conditions we're in right now. I'm taking half at my first entry price and then going out another quarter and another quarter, so essentially scaling out 3 times total. As soon as it starts coming down right here, out more. Then again, before it even halted down, I didn't think it was going to screech. Everything was halting today, and I was not expecting that. I just wasn't expecting all. And then ISPC, all these other plays that were halting up and halting down. Now let's move into that's the first hour. The only trade I took in the first 30 minutes of the day, as the market opened, was MLGO. Then I moved over to ISPC, and it was a very small win for me. So ISPC here kept doing this, and I knew I was going to be right, and I wish I would have held this. It kept boop, 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 all up, down, up, down. It did this one right here. Did it again, came down. Like, okay, if it does it again, I got in here. And it came down. As soon as it came down, I'm glad I took profit. My average entry was 268, something like that, 267. And as soon as it came down, I took it. And I was in Caveman I was in a Caveman. This is when I was with Caveman now. And I'm glad I did at the time, because then it kept doing that. And it was just one of those things where I just didn't get the top. I didn't think it was going to get over pre-market high, and that I just didn't. I thought I was all over it. And I was like, there's no way. And for half a second, I was right. But I could tell, and I tell traders this, look, notice the trends, team. Most times it's up and right back down. I'll give this one was multiple minutes till we came down. But this is 1, 2, third candle down. You know, 1 candle down. 1, 2 candles down. 1, 2, it's you get to 3 minutes in, there's a very high likelihood that could squeeze and go for more. Right? When these fell, 1 candle, it was down. You know, if anything, this was 1, 2, 3, and it starts coming down. So I'm saying, okay, in my head, when we came down, and that's why I took profit, it was one of those intuition things that came in that I said I needed to. This is not, because it's staying up way too long. Then when it came down, took profit in there, and I would have stopped myself out. This is when I can talk about the stop loss. As soon as it would have candlestick confirmed right there, Sean, that would have been my stop loss, or anyone else. That would have been. But I took it, Sean. I mean, Caveman was in with me. We got in and out of that one. ATCH. Bounce play, $10. Sat here and watched this one go up, up, and up. Finally found a nice, good consolidation area. I even I told Reese and Caveman this was running exactly like MLGO did on Friday. Come to 10, fill. Come to 10, fill. Come to 10, kind of go over, fill. Come to 10, kind of go over, fill. I wanted to go long here. I said, watch for the third time. The third time will be the charm. And I was fucking right. It just went it was so fast. Caveman, anyone watched it? I watched it live. It was like a blink of an eye. It went from 967 to 1060 to 11. Anyway. So I missed it. But then by the time it's way up there, I wanted to confirm like we got on MLGO on Friday. See, MLGO on Friday, we confirmed like right there on Friday above everything. Candlestick confirmed perfectly for us. Yeah, that didn't happen here. We flew right through. We went right on through. So I was hoping for a confirm right over this 1020-ish area when we were telling the Caveman. Well, so let's just come back down for a bounce. So whoop, bop, got filled right there. I didn't realize I somehow put an order. I can't believe it was on the trend line. I got filled at 952. The low there was 950. I got filled 1,000 shares at 952. As soon as this thing popped back up, I was up 7, 8, 9. I was like, whoa, what happened? I go, what? I was so confused on what happened. I just got out of the play. It mind-boggled. It messed my brain up that bad. And look at the bounce play. If I would have held that out and scaled accordingly, anyway, this was my first target was 10. Right here was 1070. First target was there for the bounce play back up to here, and the second target would have been there, and I would have gotten it. With the third target, being a move, possibly maybe for the touch of high. Anyway, crack of the trend in the end. I would have made a lot more money on that second trade on ATCH if I would have held that a lot longer. And that is it for the day, if I'm not mistaken. There are my trades. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure those are the trades for the day. Yeah, MLGO, ATCH, ISPC. Yep, that was it. Yeah, I'm going back. Yeah, so there you go. ATCH, ISPC, yeah, and then Meta. Yep. Because I'm keeping, anyway, so yeah. Doing trade the pool, and I'm trying to do as best I can with trade the pool. And mimic my trade. So here's what I'm doing over at Trade the Pool, and here's some of my...
Ladies and gentlemen.
Anyway. So this is what I've been trying to mimic. I'm always in Quicker and Better over at Cobra. But I've been doing Trade the Pool, and there's my, for the last week. So I've been doing pretty good. I have 2 losses, but they're not the best. They weren't the best of trades. So, but yeah, there's over the past... And Meta was on Thinkorswim today. I didn't trade Meta on Cobra or short it on whatever on... Because you can't do options on Trade the Pool. You can only do shares. Can't do options. So, hey, batting pretty good. It's like a 90% win rate so far on Trade the Pool. Right around there. Losses, literally my biggest loss is $20. I'll take it. But yeah, it's hard to mimic when you're getting in real at first, and then I'm trying to get in over at Trade the Pool and just get used to it. And I like Trade the Pool. Your guy, like I said, I'm going to do a funded account challenge. I'm going to do a funded account challenge. Probably in the next, like I said, maybe the start of April, but coming up in the next month or so. And holy bonkers, QVC GB. Just going bananas right now. Absolutely bonkers city. Holy wow. We'll put this one on top. Let's go ahead and put, did anyone get the bounce play again? Bounce play great so far at that 850 area. I know Daddy, you asked about it. Let's go over there now. We'll go back to Atchachachi. I cannot believe going short to long today. And love it. Going short and long today, team. All right, cool. Let's slowly catch back on up. I'm way far behind again now. Got that Sean World though. Got all the trades. Molly, Aussie Chick, Blueprints. You got it. Giovanni got some of that meta. Good job, Giovanni. Austin Trader did meta and Microsoft both alerted in the morning. Yes. Hopefully Giovanni and Austin Trader. I want you there. Austin Trader. Gotta have you in Dallas. Gotta have you in the dubs. Reese, I'm here. Reese was there. He knows about it. AK Copperfield. There we go. I like it. AK Copperfield. Sean Whirl. Edge possible bounce at 8. 850 was that. There we go. 850 was it. Molly. That was the one. Molly Shannon. UMAC good entry for a week. Cold at 9. Let's go to UMAC. Let's go. Good entry for a week. Well, you got in. Well, let's just go to this. Oh, I see what you're seeing. Yeah. 875 rule. I mean, if you got in right there, do you see where that bounced at? How crazy is that? I mean, do you see that, Green Days? Look where we bounced at. Look at low of day and look at right here. Look at that. I mean, yeah, that was it if you got in. I would have said 860, 875, Green Days. Come to Dallas. Go vote up top. $17.47 per person. All food, your stay, the ribs, shrimp on a barbie, porterhouses, whipped mashed garlic. We go with the white truffle mac and cheese. Mom's going to make the cheesecake bars again and do whoopie pies. Lone Wolf Nolan, you better come back. I just saw you in chat, didn't I? Lone Wolf Nolan. AK Copperfield, come on, Lone Wolf. Got to go round 2. I want everyone back for the first one. Oh, yeah, Trevor. We'll get a couple new ones in. You know, we'll slowly but surely get the new ones in. I'm just kidding. I want all you guys to come. There's a lot of spots, though. This one's big. Sounds like you need another Trader Alert challenge to pay these bills. Ethan. Yeah, oh yeah, Ethan for sure. I need one of the. Oh, and maybe it starts right now with March. Maybe it starts. We just need the market to be there. Getting more alerts in March and so on. Yeah, Sean World. Well, you already have them, Sean. If I'm not mistaken, I thought I already put you on there because you get them for free. I think you're already on there. You're already on them from WhatsApp, my man. You get them every day. You can go listen to them. I'm pretty sure I already added you. I'm pretty sure. Let's just go check. No, I didn't. I guess I didn't. I thought maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. I thought I had you. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. I got a lot going on. Hey, assistant! I guess I didn't. I thought you were on there, damn it. Damn it, Sean. I know we talked about it. I just got so much going on. I thought I added you and just said, forget about it. He can have 2 months. Blueprints looks like a ticket change. Used to be QR. Oh, I remember QRTib. QRTB. Yeah, I remember QRTib. We used to go over QRTib. I remember QRTib. I remember that one, QRTEB. QRTib. Copperfella, there we go. Blueprints, let's see how high can, oh man, how high can it go? QRTib went on some crazy runs. Got in shorting thinking we had resistance 7, now I feel toast. Oh yeah, Blueprints. Oh man, yeah, holy toast-olies. Yeah, they're with these plays they don't have any charting. It's going to be honestly a mixed bag of what you're going to get. Well, let's see, does QRTib even pull up? Yeah, hell yeah. I swear QRTib used to go crazy. Yeah, there's some QRTib runs. Let's go to the year. I don't want weekly. I want day, last 3 years. Sure. QRTib. Back in 2022. Went on some crazy runs. QRTib. We can maybe use this charting. So let's just see if this works. 1360. Oh, woo, woo. Look what we found right away. All right, well, we're already over it, so screw that. This has no resistance right now. I wouldn't short this if you paid me. I wouldn't short Curative if you paid me. I mean, oh, there you go, there you go, there you go. There you go, Blueprints. There you go. That's what you wanted. Now you're about to get a huge gap down. You're about to get a huge gap down. Oh, you're about to get a nasty gap down. That's exactly what you wanted. The death candle from Deathville. The death candle from Death-a-Rooney. The deathy almighty man. The deathy, cakey death. Are we getting returns across the board? Yeah, we're getting some pretty decent ones here on the day. Let's see here. We talked to you. There we go. Snap. Let's see. I got to jump away from chat. Have a good one, Sean. You're welcome, my man. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. I'm all the way caught back on up. Waka, waka, waka. There we go. Cool. All right, cool. We're good to go. All right, sweet. All right, and again, I didn't show it off. I know we're finally all caught back on up, but let's show her off. The beautiful 6,000 square foot house. Again, I'm going to try to, I would love to get this book by next Friday. Tickets go on sale this Friday. Should be sold out in the next, I would imagine tickets go on sale this Friday, the last day of February. By next Friday, March the 7th, I think it is. The next Friday is the 7th of March. We'll have it, it'll be completely booked. 6,000 square foot. Heated pool. I don't know why we'd want that in the summer, but it's a pool. We want that. We'll have the jacuzzi, movie theater, game room. Although the movie theater is one of the big. It's a big ass room with 2 king beds in it. Everyone pretty much gets their own room. Aussie chicks already got room 2 picked. K Clausen, CR Trader, another K Clausen. I forgot which one he was looking at. I think Mafia said he wanted room 5, so that one may be taken. This is where we'll put you if we don't like you. I'm just kidding. Probably not going to sell these 2. These are going to be locally. For local traders, make it a little bit cheaper, possibly maybe for them or someone that, I don't know. We'll figure it out. I don't know what I'll do on that. I don't know. You know, maybe I'll have to figure out, because I've had some people say, oh, I'll drive, or I don't know. I'll figure that out. It's much better, though, if you stay. And so if you do come and you stay, I won't make this as expensive. You know, it's going to be $17.47 for if you get your own room, and pretty much every room has its own bathroom. This room right here with 2 king beds, I'm going to do for $15.47 since you're sharing a room with someone. And this room with these little little baby beds, I'll make those cheaper of some sort. I'm trying to figure it out. But, of course, the big rooms, which most are going to be wanting to book, $17.47 to have your own room. Again, the same rate as last time. No cheaper, no more, not going to be more expensive. And then the room right here with the 2, it's king beds, but it's, again, you got to share a room. I get it. This will be $15.47. So $15.47, the rooms with yourself, get you some of these rooms have balconies, right? Get some balconies. Go out and smoke you a cigar at night after you've banked with the chat and yell out to the neighborhood, I've banked! And who's banking with me? Something like that. But that's where it'll be at in Dallas. It's in DFW. It's right off a lake there in Dallas, Lake Hubbard, so we'll go out and get on the lake right here, have a little fun on the lake, go tube and have some fun, head down to downtown, go to RJ's here, get some beautiful Mexican food for Taco Tuesday. You're going to absolutely love some RJ's. I'll be cooking porterhouses, white truffle mac and cheese, sticky ribs, shrimp on the Barbie, maybe get you some shrimp at RJ's. Either way, I took care of everybody the first time around. They got some good Rocky's Corner, some steak, some barbecue. They stayed here at Lakeside Sanctuary, the Rojas. It was a nice, beautiful place here in Arkansas, making it easier for those to fly in. DFW has right here, this airport right there. It's a big guy. Has more connecting flights than any airport in the United States at over 280. So I'd imagine you can get no connecting flights. It'll be a direct flight from wherever you live. You should be able to get a direct flight to DFW. I guarantee it. And it won't be that expensive. Again, this summer, looking to have it either June 22nd through June 26th or August the 3rd through August the 7th. One of those 2 weeks. And you're going to learn. You're going to have fun. You can get some good food in. Some more fun. Does this just dump now? Boo. It depends on how long we stay halted. How long we stay halted here, and also not only how long we stay halted, but then the gap down. How big is the gap down, and where do we open up at? Those two things will determine, in my opinion, everything. Damn, Lone Wolf with the best cheesesteak he's had yet. And it definitely, man, and hey, let me tell you something. That just lets you know how good AK knows food. Because I knew they wanted barbecue, and the old place there in town is called McLard's. And I'm not a big fan of McLard's, but it's like the old school. It's like a house. It's really cool. They didn't have drinks. It's kind of like you just go eat barbecue kind of a place. And so I'm looking. I know they want barbecue. I told them they'd get barbecue. I want to make sure they get barbecue. And so I'm looking. I'm like, well, I want to take them downtown. I wish I would have taken you downtown before, and we should have left. We should have stopped playing that stupid. We should never played that, damn it. Should have just went to downtown and then ate. But here's how good the barbecue was. It was from the food truck next door, served at the bar we're eating at. That's how good it's from a food truck. And you know it's good if it's a food truck. Listen to everyone. You can't even hear them talk. They don't even say anything. All you hear is the music.
How's the food?
There's that sandwich too. Look at Lone Wolf. Look at Lone Wolf with the sandwich right there. Look at Lone Wolf. There's that sandwich right there. Lone Wolf says, give me waffle fries. Everyone's like, yeah, I've had waffle fries. But all that barbecue went down the drain.
How's the food?
Good. It was good. It was good. Was good. Went to the horse races. Had some fun. Had some fun at that first one. Ready for the second one in Dallas. But yes, blueprints. Depends on right here. How long do we stay halted for? Halted down 42.14. All right, so, the longer we stay halted, the better for you because the bigger the gap down. And if we gap down below the WAP, that then would say do not trust no bounce play anywhere. This play, yes, is probably, and then you're good to go. Because I could see the gap down literally coming somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. But if it's below the WAP, you're looking real good. You're looking real good, brother. I'll probably stop the stream about an hour from now, just a little early today. Yeah, because I'm going to go test drive the GT4 RS. So it will end a little, I'm going to end the stream about 10, 15 minutes early today. Watch the crack on ATCH below 9 in that VWAP, 835 in that VWAP, 835-ish area, 850 area in that VWAP. Once we crack through that, she may really start to give back some gains. We are on this downtrend higher low pattern 100%. That is clean, clear-cut ass day now. SPY, Meta trying to get their way back on up today. I'll look at some other large cap plays. Stex halted back up. Shocking. Stex halted for the 457th time today. Well, you're not alone, Blueprints. Just scrolling back. You and Felix. How did you guys see what resistance were y'all coming? What resistance did y'all see? I guess it's using. I guess he's seeing resistance. I didn't know it was I guess they're seeing. I don't know where he's seeing charting from. I guess it's pulling over wherever he's using. It's pulling over charting from QRTEB, I should say. Never rely on that, as we could just see there. That none of that even worked out. That's crazy that you and Felix though. In the same boat. Blueprints. No, I don't have one. Do not have one, my man. Do not. God, every AMD and ARM look absolutely. I mean, a lot of these was like so similar today. AMD ARM look very similar. Not Google, but AMD and ARM very similar. Amazon's pretty similar to those with Meta as well. Microsoft pretty similar. Oh, and Microsoft, who took that, they said, in my lobby? I forgot I did mention that. Team, listen to this. Back to Microsoft. Who took that? Is anyone still listening that took Microsoft? Holy moly. Listen to my alert on Microsoft today. It's only 20 seconds. Only 20 seconds.
I will mention Microsoft only to the bottom side. Watch this back under whenever we get there this week, under this 404 to 405 mark. We haven't been under that in quite a while. Go to the past chart history. You can see that. So keep that on high, high, high watch this week. We're in the 409s now, so I doubt we get there today. If and when this week we get into 405, 404, heavy short sauce city limits on Microsoft.
And it did. It did today. It not only saw a crack to it and then threw it. Damn. 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 What are you wearing for test drive? Nothing. I mean, nothing. Oh, no, not that. Pause. I go in, just literally walk. I get out of my vehicle, just completely bare, buck ass naked. I mean, nothing special. Nothing special, my man. Nothing special. I don't really worry about whatever I wear anymore. Oh. I'll worry about what shoes I got on. You know, I'll make sure those look good. I'll wear some J's. I'll wear some nice Jordans today. I'll figure that out, what Jordans I want to wear. Yeah, but nah. Nah, I don't really care. Nothing special. Nothing too special, my man. Just same old, same old. Same old stuff. I look a little different than, you know, what I'm wearing right now. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Now that we cracked down on momentum, would you go into the puts again for more downside? Oh, now that we're bouncing back into that area? No, because you would have seen that reversal already, in my opinion. You know, that 404, 405, we would have seen we would have seen that already, Ethan, in my opinion. This looks like a squeeze to go for more. Oh, we're finally live. We're finally live here. Let's see if we can actually hold up and not halt up or down. We'll see if this actually can stay live for more than a minute. But this kind of pattern right here over the VWAP, Ethan, higher lows, it looks like it wants to pop up. All it needs is the volume. And man, I could see a pop through 405 to 405.75, 406. Get a nice good, you know, dollar squeeze almost or so, something, you know, through. But watch that. Watch that move, in my opinion. Oh my God, and we're halt. See, we stayed above it. Halt strategy's even working out. She's going to halt. That VWAP's going to be key right there to this play. VWAP's going to be key on this play. That GIF is hilarious. That one. I don't remember Arnold Schwarzenegger ever being on QVC. I just typed in QVC to get a GIF, and that was like the main ones that pop up. I'm just trying to get like a, you know, just someone selling something. We are live on Steck, by the way. I am watching Steck. Steck, by the way. I knew MLGO was gonna probably come down again for more today. Not that I was just gonna think about earlier. Getting back in, I just had a feeling MLGO was going to crack down for more. It just had that feeling of, I just don't see how that play is going to stay up. But that's the thing why I don't, because of plays like Steck that don't go away. And I'm like, how have you not this W shape that's taken shape too as well? Look at that W shape. This right cheek, booty cheek being a little bit higher. Also has a W shape within the W shape. You can see this little minor W with the right cheek, booty being a little bit higher. What's up, Felix? Let's see. What's up, boss? Having the worst time of my life with the you have to be careful with these plays that start going like parabolic out of nowhere. And the day we're in, you got to look at across the board, right? Look at Stack. This thing's halted like 80 times. You know, not literally, but it's halted 20 plus. Earlier with YYAI and all its halts earlier. We had ISPC up, and we had a lot of plays halting. You know, MLGO was halting down, and then even up. I think it had a halt up, or maybe it did. I think maybe not, but it was halting earlier. We're in a halty day. You know, we're in a play that's day that's very jolty and choppy. You have to worry about that. ATCH, of course, we're already looking at it over here, was one that's been halting. I think it halted at least once, if not twice or something, a few times, a couple times, whatever. So we're in a halty day. We're in an extremely volatile day for sure when it comes to these large cap plays. If that's the case, you have to be very careful going short and be more precise on 100%. Now, it's always that case when you go long or short, and I don't think one's more risky than the other. But on a day like today, it does amplify the risk because of the validity. And it's all about that VWAP. That's what I was just saying, to chat. You got to get back below that VWAP, and then you probably start to die off. These plays typically don't hold up. The only ones that do, that stay up and through that VWAP and then they clear the VWAP. As in they get way up and removed so far from it that it's not even a question anymore. It's like, oh, good God, this plays. As in when it gets like 20 and 30. I don't see that happening. Why? The upper and lower VWAP bands tell the story. This play, in my opinion, like here earlier with Meta, we are crashing away. The bands are expanding. As soon as this upper band reverses down, now I see how we're expanding and now we're reversing. So the opposite side is what you're looking for. So we're going down, down, down. I know this one keeps going down, so there's a chance we still can, which we do, but it's not by much, right? And that is a precursor to let me know. This is a precursor on top of the fact that that's coming down. I'm going to say we've made high of day. Doesn't mean we won't see 14.25 again, but the likelihood that this sees higher than high of day again has gotten a lot lower. Oh man, so you guys are. I'll send some pictures and videos too to you guys that have the AK morning alerts. Again, for those morning alerts, team, you need to be signing on up. Why? $30 a month. That's it. $30 a month, and you're getting. I wish everyone was in chat still that traded Meta or Microsoft for my call outs earlier and how much they made, but I bet they made way more than $30 for sure on that trade. Day in, day out. Monday through Friday, unless something's come up, I give you small caps, breaking them down, where to trade, what I'm trading, like this morning with ATCH, where the targets are, where my stop loss is, so you can stay in a play like you should be, getting a lot of the profit with me. They're done through WhatsApp. If you need any help, I break down small caps and I break down large cap, give you levels, trade ideas, give you targets, give you levels that you should be using day in, day out. Main trades, what to be looking for at the bell. Like today, I said Meta. Very high watch for a cracking more and a good short. It happened. You stayed on it, you got it. Get to the chopper. Yeah, Blueprints and Philly Shower, yeah. Y'all are both in the same boat. The same boat. The same boat. You guys are in the same boat. Got it, Microsoft at 4.3 base. Oh, there we go. Cat, cat. Cat, cat. Love it. Old kitty cat out there making some money. Got to get that cat litter. Got to get that cat litter, you know. Can't be pooping just outside or anywhere. You know, them cats got to have that litter. Got the kitty cat litter. Probably paid for some cat food, too. Gosh, damn. I just dusted, you guys. How are we so Harry? Every one of you should be named Harry Potter. Harry Larry, Harry Terry, Harry Gary, Harry. Good job, though, Cat. Love you guys that had the morning alerts. Love it, love it, love it. Like I said, main thing, again, for you guys was just to help on levels. Like, hey, here's where I would trade. This is what you should trade. This is a good level. That's support. That's resistance. Here are your levels. And then it's kind of grown from there and, adding in what I'm trading, when I'm trading. Hey, don't forget this. Don't forget that. Giving you stuff at night for the next morning, or swing plays, like, which we haven't had in a while, but we've had some swing plays. Like, hey, guys, get in. I'm getting in. Trying to make as much money for you as I can. I'm trying to make you guys as much money as I can. See, her so goofy, still chewing on that. Cat. Love it. Love it, 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 love it. There's the morning alerts, though. Oh, and there also is my one-on-one link for the website. And then don't forget, this Friday tickets go on sale for the 25, the summer AKNR, the summer edition. Go on sale this Friday. So anyone that we kind of chatted about it earlier, you want to come to Dallas, learn with me for 3.5 days, or 3.5 days if I can count. Let's see here. Was the website working okay last night? Submitted email for alerts. Submitted email for alerts. You should be able to just sign up, my man, for the alerts. That link that was just given you right here. Like the link I gave you, should be able to sign up right here. That's how you sign up, was that link right there, Greg. Yep, yeah, so that link above, it should be working. Yeah, should be good to go. I don't know if I got an email or not. I don't think I got an email. I don't think. Yeah, right here. Sign up right here, Greg. Should be like 2-second sign up right there, babe. Right there, bub. Click on that link. Takes you to right here. Hopefully log into or create a, sign up, which I guess you'll have to, which, you'll create a profile. Oh, we are live. We are live. Watch. Oh, there's that 1425 I said we might see again. Oh, man, the upper band is starting to spread here again. Oh, man, do not tell me this play is going to do that actual super parabolic move here. If this play clears high of day team, this thing's going to get nuts. And if you are short, if this clears high of day, I wouldn't be holding for longer. Got it, Greg. Yeah, sign up. Yeah. Because I didn't have any new signups. So just as soon as you sign up, I'll get an email. So sign up. Boom. You'll have them tomorrow morning. Thoughts on MSTR leap option call? MSTR. Mr. Well, if it cracks finally below this 280 area, I'd be looking for a move, even further back on down. I don't know if this is still running really well, like when it was running really well with Bitcoin. I don't know if it's still running well with that. If it is, kind of base it on Bitcoin's chart, so we'll pull that up. Yeah, a little bit like it. Not as much, but it's a little bit like it. It's similar. So your best bounce play would be when Bitcoin gets back down to like 70K. There's a big plateau there, right around 70 to 68K. That would be you getting back down to right here. That would be the safest bounce play for a leap option, like a call. If you want to get in for it for like a long-term move. Now would be the area for the bottom of this. But if it starts cracking, there's no like support below. I mean, for a minute anyway, it's going down to 265. It's going down to here, and then it's going down to here. Which those would be your other areas to get into for, would be somewhere, which would be either this place or this place. So you have 265, 225, then the safest down here at 200. next to around 190. MSTR making some moves again. Making some decent moves again. Oh, Jess, sorry about YouTube today. Whoa, when did this QB say? Yeah, it's just a little bit ago. Literally, I guess right before I went live for lunch, and then we were all over it. Are you going to start your own lobby soon? I don't have Tradecaster anymore, and I don't know if I want to bring it back. I mean, I'll still be here. No, I mean, I'll still be on Tradecaster. I'll be on YouTube live some days like today, Vade. So, Veda, some days like today, I will be live. But yeah, no, nothing to like go start my own like Discord or any of that kind of stuff. I mean, I've had that for years, but yeah, I'm just saying that's gonna be like that's a whole nother than like working task in itself, and then seeing if traders really would come. I mean, I guess it wouldn't matter. You just kind of go full bore. But then the only thing it would suck for me, I'm like, how do I treat the morning alerts? You know, I'm like, would I still do those and at a time? I don't know. I have to figure all that out. So that's why I'm just keeping it simple and staying at Tradecaster for now. What do you use for charts? Jess, right here. Think or swim. Think or swim all day, every day. Think or swim for me. Think or swim. Jess, this summer. So most likely the 2 dates we're looking for the house, for the AKNR, which we already have a few people already coming and rocking and rolling. They're looking to already pay some, and then Aussie Chick is already in. So this is actually the 2 dates we're either looking at June 22nd through 22nd, or the 3rd through the 7th. The 3rd through the 7th, or the 22nd through the 26th. Or either, count me in. So those would be the 2 different dates we're looking at. Leaning toward this one a little bit because we already have. We'll see though, but either way, it's still open for right now. But these are the 2 dates that we would be looking to have at the house there in Dallas. Like I said, you saw the house, 6,000 square feet, got the pool, the hot tub, game room, and more. $1,747 per person. Your food, everything's included. Your food, once you get there, everything's included. Your food, your stay. I'll take you out to eat. I'll cook for you. You'll have all the food and drink you'll need there, beverages, some alcohol. If of course, tonight we'd be drinking, we'd be taking it to that next adult level. So, Jess, you in? Jess, you thinking about it? You thinking? Because it's going to sell quick. That's why I'm trying to get the names of everyone who wants, so I know I can immediately go to them like, hey, tickets go on sale. Don't forget. Because I don't want it to be like a week or 2 later. Oh, yeah. And I'm like, man, it already sold out. And I want to book it ASAP anyway. Miles. Oh, ASAP AK. MLGO, I did, Sam. I did short MLGO today. Yes, Sam, today. MLGO, I shorted it earlier. So MLGO, this was one that I shorted earlier today. On the crack back on down under pre-market lows here. Right through this area. MLGO. MLGO was the hoe. The water hose, that is. Guys, I'm not done yet. I still got a little bit of time left. Still got some time left here. Oh, I already got Meta up on watch there. Already got Meta on watch. Let's put Spy on watch too as well. We'll put Spy over there. Small cat. Oh, ATCH, watch that downtrend break. ATCH, watch that downtrend break. Oh, let's see if I'm going to be right in the end. Let's see, though, because the bands were kind of telling me that we will not see new high of day. I said that. I'm going to stick to it, so let's see if we get it here. I know Blueprints and Felix like that. like that. Tight wedge right now. Super tight wedge. Cat, got it. Thanks always. Always, you got it. VWAP cloth on the, if it jumps to about 1636. No, I mean, I don't think it's going to happen. I mean, I think we're going to stay right here because we're about to finally kind of slow down right now. Yeah, Felix, I wouldn't hold overnight for sure because of the fees, man. I wouldn't hold overnight, would not hold this overnight. And if it becomes one of those plays where we do start to squeeze and go up and over, this play will start to turn, honestly, could turn very parabolic. And like I said, turn to one of those plays that gets up and above the upper VWAP band and moves way away from the VWAP. And that is not a good sign. That play will definitely run to 1875 over high of day, then to 20. And then that play is going on a screecher. Felix, oh man, yeah, that's why you can't. Yeah, these plays you just, yeah, you have to. I stay away from these plays, Felix. It's just one of those things early on. You know, I got bit early on, and sometimes it just takes more than one. But luckily, I got bit once on a play like this that was just too. It was a halty type play, and I tried to get in. I was trying to go long, but I tried to get in and lost $1,000 on my $3,000 account. You know, so I lost 33% of my account in a trade once before. And I yelled and cried and I cried and I yelled. And it was a learning moment. And I just, unless it's got really technical sound and vibes and setup, I won't trade it. I will only trade what I know is going to be a 100% win. At least an 80, 20, 90, 10. And you'll learn over time, the more and more you do this, what those are and which ones to stay away from. I like these parabolic plays like this that halt and gap up, but this play would have been, we haven't seen them that much anymore, where we do this, but up, and over. Like it's this on top of this, not in an area. It's halt up, gap up, halt up, and we're doing that over and over and up. Then you can maybe get bounce plays back down on halt. This is just when you start doing this erratic movement. And like I was saying, we've gotten that today across the board with Steck and just all the movers. And so that's why I was, earlier when I was in the one-on-ones and I was moving away from all the different tickers, you missed that already when I traded for the day. I knew ATCH was the one that was running most technically sound. And to stay away from Steck and to stay away from YAII anyway, or ISPC or a play like this that can, comes out of nowhere. It's all right though, bro. What has been grown can be grown again. And what has been taken can be taken back. But as all things that come in life, it's time. It's patience. It's not overnight. It's not the next day. It's not the next trade. It's a repetition of doing things over and over and over and over and over. The same thing, same every day, doing the same thing. You'll get it. You'll get it back. Any questions you guys have? Any stocks you want to go over? I think almost all the attention, because large caps have literally moved out to the right as of right now. We are looking at what this ATCH squeeze pattern is going to do. We're going to crack. We're going to pop or crack, sneeze or squeeze. And QV, CBGB, BB Baga is all over the place right now. You lay down, you booger butt. All right, responding to a lot of text. Let's see. Thanks for that. I'm sure I'm not going to sleep for a couple nights. Oh, yeah, Felix. Well, let it go. You got to let it go. Don't revenge trade or try to. I wouldn't even try to trade. Listen, you're not to the point of like, you know, where you get to that thought process of you can come back tomorrow and kill it. Like me, I've gotten to that point. I'm like, listen, I'm gonna freaking kill tomorrow if the setups are there. That you get to that, you have that I'm gonna kill tomorrow, but then the setups may not be there, and then you just blow your account. I would take a day off. You know, come back Wednesday, relax, refreshed. Know that I just need 1 or 2 trades. What was I doing? Go back and what was I doing that was so consistent? This play is going to 1875. This play is going bonkers right now. This play is absolutely going bonkers right now. There it is, 1875. Now I got my buddies that I talk to anyway. That is so funny. That trade stocks, they're on a different ticker, and I told them that this is the one that's running. Girls are playing. Oh, and it's the crack. And it's the crack. And it's the crack. ATCH. Possible still new high of day could come here from QVCGB. Yeah, you just early on, because it happened to me. I mean, like I said, lost a third of my account in one trade. You have to take some time, then you have to figure out what you're doing. Go back and just do that day in, day out. Don't do anything else. Don't do anything that's out of the normal. Stay away from fast, crazy movers that are halting up and down. Trade slow and steady movers. Take ATCH below VWAPs 20 wins on the way down. Yeah, ATCH, I would say your first target was, well, I'm surprised it hasn't hit it yet. But 770 would be your next main target for sure. Would be, which the low right there in this run is 788. So under 788, well, there you go. Watch, yeah, for a move to about 7. What's that low of that candle? 780. 780. Okay, Clausen. No, it's just a new IPO play or change of names. I think it was CureTib is what Blueprint said earlier. QRTEB. QRTEB was the original one. I remember CureTib. We've looked at that a few times. Shorting really gets you with the commission fees, and if you take a loss in some of the month, it'll... oh, yeah, for sure, Yusuf. That's why if anyone ever brings up shorting is more risky, they need to word that differently. Like, no, shorting just costs more money. It's not riskier. It just costs you more money in the end if you don't know what you're doing. But yeah, it's definitely one of those ones where if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to pay more for it in the end, for the fees, for shizzles. That's why I love that I did what it's just what it is. But I was a bounce trader at first. I did nothing but go long. Now that I know where bounce plays are, then I became a great shorter because now I know where to go short and wait for those shorts. Let's see here. AK, do you think this QVC is parabolic now? Just trades? Yeah, it's close to being parabolic, going from 2 to 18. That's definitely a supernova parabolic play for sure. Jess, I would want to go there. How much does it cost and how long? It's 1747, Jess. So 1747, my man. Voting, like I said, is already up for dates. Already have 2 or 3. It'll book right away, but 1747. Last one was 1247. If you got your own room, this one's going to be 1747. It's the same exact price as the first one. The first one was 2.5 days long. Was 1247 if you got your own room. This one is a day longer. So I just did, instead of, I did 1247 divided by 2.5. Then came up with that number. I forgot what exactly it was now, but then I did that times 3.5. And then it was 17, literally it was 1750. And I was like, 17, because 47, AK47, right? Just to be, cute. But anywho, yep. So there you go, my man. And this is again, it'll be last time. I'll show you picks again. But this is where we'll eat this time. We're going to go out to RJ's. It'll be paid for. Once you get to the house, everything's paid for. Your drinks, your alcohol, your food, your beverages, your snacks, your dinner. Got you covered. The boat, we'll go tubing, get out on the lake. That's what I was just texting Kay Clausen because he made some money today. And I was like, now imagine you're, because Kay was wearing cowboy hat and boots to the AKNR. I was like, now imagine you're in Texas and you're out on the lake tubing with that cowboy hat on. And he was like, hell yeah. And I was like, yeah, imagine you're yelling, hell yeah, with the beer in your hand tubing. So here's where it's at. It's in Dallas, right outside. You'd be flying into DFW. Again, more connecting flights than any airport in the United States. So you probably should have a direct flight there from where you're flying out of. And then we'll take you right over here to the pretty much close to the lake and lake house, which we're literally like a 5-minute drive to the lake. We'll get out on the lake and have some fun there. Nice, good-sized lake to have some fun. Right there, it's a pretty good-sized lake. Lake Ray Hubbard. So that's where and it's going to be. And I'm not trying to charge $17.47 per person, and I'm paying for the place. That goes in for it. This isn't my place like Deck. I'll be paying for the place. I'll be paying for it. That goes into it. I'm not trying to make a ton for it or from it. I'm trying to make some, but not a ton. And so $17.47 per person. The first one, like I said, was in Hot Springs. They had a good old time. They had a good time, got some good food. Absolute great grub. Show off right here again. Love it. Love the videos. Love it. Here we go. All the guys here enjoying this. Hey, I'm not only slaving cooking for you guys. I'm teaching, cooking. They've already had some of Mom's meatloaf. That's right. My mom's going to make some more meatloaf for lunch one day. Mom won't even be there. She'll just make it ready to go. You just stick the meatloafs in the oven, baby. They're so good. Mafia said best he's ever had in the United States. Pretty much one of the best ever. White truffle mac and cheese, one of the best he's ever had. Lone Wolf Nolan said he had the best ever cheesesteak ever. I got you with food. Look, I'm cooking for you. Porterhouses, baby. And half the people there never had a porterhouse before. Made the meatloaf, baby. We got 3 medium coming up. These guys are going to be medium rare. I will move them up top, but first let's let the mediums cook, or the medium rares cook. Then when they're done, I can put them up top, let them smoke. We'll cook those a little bit more medium. Boom, just like that. And then check it out. I mean, absolute. We're talking, just look at everybody feasting. Feasting at the AKNR. Feast City here. Well, never mind. No one's feasting. There we go. Plate-sized porterhouses, baby.
I think there's plenty of room.
Look at the steak. So good.
Not at all. Get them all the time.
Do I get my own plate?
Mafia?
Make sure you get plenty of potatoes. That's 6 pounds right there now.
Mesmerized by the food. Mesmerized by the food. Mesmerized there, I tell you. Gotta come to the AKNR. Alright. Listen to music, having drinks, talking stocks, talking movies, talking sports, talking food, cooking food. Let's see here. And Jess, so again, so it'll be 3 days. You'd fly in on a Sunday, Jess. It's Sunday, you're there, you meet everybody, we have fun. Monday, learn all day. Tuesday, learn all day. Wednesday's a half day of learning. Get out on the boat, have some fun Wednesday. Everyone leaves on Thursday. Sam, do you think it's better to subscribe to the plan first and then after the practice sessions with you, subscribe to the monthly alerts? Yes, for sure, Sam. Yup. Sam, are you going to book some one-on-ones? I thought you talked about that on Friday. Sam, you still going to do that? Have you done it yet, Sam, or are you about to? You're thinking about it, now you're going to do it. You see the Mad Magician over here. You see the AK Copperfield. You see the AK Blaine. You see me freeze myself, and then, yep, there you go. Cool. Did you already get them, Sam, or are you looking to get them? You looking to get them? Yes. Have you got them, or I haven't got them yet? Because there's the links right there for you. I didn't know if you'd got them yet already. Are you looking to get them? Still going to get new highs. 875 rule is going to be pretty tough. Cool. Yep, there you go, boss. Yeah, so click on that one right there. Click on that one of those links. So you haven't got them yet, Sam, is what you're saying. You haven't got them yet. Let's get them, man. Book them damn thing. Let's go, bro. Don't be putting it off. You're just putting off prolonging making money and learning stocks. Oh, crack on down she goes. I'm going to stick with this VWAP, Jess. I'm sticking with the VWAP. If it stays above the VWAP, I'm going to say it has a chance and probably will continue to make new highs. If we crack the VWAP, then no. If we stay above it, yes, I think it still can, and I think it does. If we crack the VWAP, she's dead. Dead in the tracks, gone. You're fine, Groot. Can y'all chill out and let Groot need to turn around? All right, turn around. I got you, biggest boy. Oh, it's a big boy. Oh, it's a big boy. There we go. There we go. There we go, Margot. Let's see here. Felix, this is my last day trading until Friday. Okay, so I have more time to analyze when I did. Cool. Felix, that's awesome. That's good. Where do you think QVC ends today? Oh, back down. Unless we stay above the VWAP, I think there is a chance that she could go for more. She will give back gains today. This is one of those plays where it's going to end the day with a massive upper shadow, or a pretty big one in my opinion. Opinion. HTC covered at 74. There you go. Yep, like I said, yep, but we got it on down. I figured we'd see 770. I had a feeling we would see that 780, I think is what we established it as, but whatever. 780, 770. Got some profit there, bub. Gotta love it. Green is green. Green is green on a day like today. You know what I mean. Green is green. Don't you know what I mean? Questions, stocks, anything you guys want to go over, let me know. Going to go live for about another 15 minutes. Or so, and then I am calling it for the day. Out. No one-on-ones. Luckily, a while back, forgot what happened, but I blocked off this afternoon. And I'm glad I did, because now I can go test drive a $250,000 car. And a dream ride of mine, and probably for a lot of humans in the world, for a Porsche GT4 RS. Any questions, any stocks, anything you want to go over, any trades you want to go over, let me know. Anything you want to go over, let me know. Let me know. ATCH. Keep Atch on watch. I would keep Atch on watch unless it cracks back down maybe one more tier, and then it's probably going to be done for the day. But that's still on watch, definitely. If QVC, whatever this is, GB, gets more of a pullback, and finally, if this ever does crack back, I would imagine a lot of mob goes over here, or even STEC, STEC, STEC. STEC could also get a squeeze team. Wouldn't be surprised at all if Power Hour later in the day here, this play has not died off at all. We've seen these plays just skyrocket right at the closing bell or close to it and come up into this high of day resistance area. So keep your eye on that as well for STEC. I could see that happening. Cool. Any questions you guys have? Like I said, let me know. Any final few minutes here before I call it for the day. Tomorrow, yep, that's what I have. Yeah. Oh, wow, the rest of this week. Damn. AK packed up the next 2 weeks with these one-on-ones. I do have this afternoon off, but whoa, wow. I've got every day the rest of this week, I've got a one-on-one in the morning. So bear with me on those morning alerts. If you are looking for them, you'll get the small cap ones. And if I see anything in large cap right out of the gate, if for some reason Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday though, they're not. You'll get the small cap ones for sure, but it may be a minute. So like I said, bear with me. It may be a minute till you get the large cap ones, because every day this week, moving forward, I have pre-market one-on-ones for the rest of the week. Every single day the rest of the week, I have pre-market one-on-ones. I can't read in with VWAP, something I struggle with. Gotcha, Jess. Well, Jess, get that ass to the AKNR, man. Get there, book some one-on-ones with me. I'm telling you right now, that's the only way you're going to get better, is having someone there that can kind of, for the most part, have someone to tutelage you, give your little tutor, so to speak. Got to have that trainer, that middle side that kind of pushes you and tells you what to do and when not to do it. And then you're like, okay, well, if he's telling me it's like a teacher, I need to listen to him. Anytime you guys are having trouble, that's exactly why I do one-on-one. There's no point to lose more money and struggle more when you have someone like me that's willing to help you. Single book 101 in the morning trade time. Gotcha. I can book. Yes, Sam. Oh, yeah, for sure. Yep, Sam, I guess you just heard me. I have one-on-ones the rest of so you can just see the calendar of my one-on-ones. Boom. I mean, I have them all of them, right here. Pre-market, opening bell, in the morning, in the whatever, afternoon. Here we go again. And I'm taking this week off. Whew. And I'm taking the following Monday off. I'm so glad I blocked that. I'm going to need a little time off. But yeah, I can come in here. If you don't see it on my calendar, you say, hey, AK, I want to get in on the morning, and I can come through here and I can fill it in for you. Yeah, I can. Here we go. Like I said, probably most likely we'll see if we hold the VWAP, we'll see new highs. Again, just comes to the trend of seeing this over and over and over. Got really close right there. Flocan confession. I got it on the bounce on YYAI at 130. There we go. Yeah, just how you called it. Yeah, but did not sell on time. How should I have the 160 area, man? So right here at 160, the former bounce, you had to have taken some into that halt up. So when she starts bouncing back up through the VWAP and gets back into this right here, Flocan, you had to at least take half there. At least. Then you get halted up on, you're looking, you're loving life. But as soon as this is red and comes down and halts down, as soon as that went live, I would have taken that whole entire trade. As soon as this opened up, I just would have taken it. Just would have said, nope, done. That's how I would have traded it. But yeah, got to. You had to, whether it was right as it was halting up or as soon as it came live, that's a got to, Flocan. Let's see, okay, I think I like traders. I'm the only one who liked the stream. Let's see. There we go. Jess, appreciate it, Bubba. Appreciate it. Give you a round. It's like that some days. Man, just crazy. Some days I used to get like 500 to 700 people when I would stream live. I have no idea, like the algorithms with that kind of stuff. I have no idea. It's so weird. It's so weird. I have so many more like I just upload them just to help you guys out, but like post essentially on YouTube. Just figured down the line I would actually have more viewers slowly but surely when I go live for free versus I have less viewers more and more as I've gone throughout the years. It is so weird. And I'm like, I do this every day almost for free. Not every day, but a lot of it anyway. So it's weird. I don't get it. But I appreciate the love when you guys give me some love. And you got it, Sam. Yeah, like I said, Sam, anytime, man. I mean, that's why I do them. That's exactly why I do them when I do them. I want you guys to be able to see it when the market is open and see what I'm seeing. Like this morning, I was in trades with traders. We were trading live. I was trading live with traders. That's what I'm trying to do. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In pre-market, opening bell if you're trading. Or if not, we're learning and we're going over why we're not trading. Why we're sitting on our hands. Why we don't like what we don't like. Why we're waiting for, a certain setup. And why that's important when it comes to trading, Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, sure, yeah. Well, a lot of that's just because I couldn't be free. And then some of it was because like I got one time I got kicked like I forgot when it was, but then it was like 3. I forgot how long it was. I got slapped twice. I had 2 flags from YouTube, and I couldn't go live or post something for like 2 months. I forgot when that was, so I had to start using another YouTube. And then at some point, Deck was like, don't be free on YouTube if you could, like all the time. I don't mind it some of the time, but that's why we have Tradecaster, for them to be here. I was like, oh, here we go. This may be the death candle for all of these shorters that want this to die. If we can get a gap down and stay below that WAP, which we're about to halt down in, I was like, it's about to halt down any second now. Yeah, right, Jess. Yeah, right. Yeah, exactly, historical. Well, they're close. Fuck them, Gotta go somewhere else now. I'm not really worried about it, really, to be honest. Because you need a lot of views on YouTube to make money. You have to get a lot of views on YouTube to make money. It sucks. So it's like, I don't really care anymore. Flowcan, does that make sense? I never heard back from you. Flowcan, did that make sense on where to get out on YYAI? Did that make sense? I'll just make sure you got it, you get it, you understand it. You're feeling it. You're grilling it. You're eating some steak. Flowcan! Telling you guys, mother truckers, you better get your ass to that damn AKNR. Telling you, you're going to have some fun and you're going to learn. I'm taking you to school. I'm taking you to school. That's right. I come in, dressed like a little school teacher. Put my little polo on. Get my Dockers. Get my... What are those shoes called that have like the little... Damn, they have like the little tassels on the top. They're kind of like dress shoes, like loafers. They're kind of like, you just put your foot in them, but they got like the little brown tassel. What are those called? Brown loafer, like little things. Penny loafers? Is that what they're called? Those are ladies, right? Penny loafers? Those are for women, right? Yeah, those are ladies. Yeah, they're no for men. Yeah, penny loafers for men. Men with tassels. Yeah, with tassels. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, they is called penny loafers. These ugly ass sons of bitches. Now those are a little better. Man, but these got to be the ugliest damn shoes ever born. About the ugliest shoes I've ever seen in my life right there. Kohan men's pinch tassel loafer. Yeah, you've been a loaf off of, I'd rather loaf off a loaf than wear them damn things. That is absolutely hideous. Someone paying $128 for that shit? Why, Doc? The hell is that? That is absolutely horrendous. And that's ugly as can be. I don't even know what people were... What are they doing? Listen. That's just ugly. I don't even know what you're looking at right there. Don't even get it. Damn. Ugly. But I look like a sweet professor. Yes, sir. Just missed it. Damn, it's all good. Sperry's. Oh, I remember Sperry's. The boat shoes. Those are the boat shoes. But those are similar. Those are the boat shoes. But those are similar. That would fit. Those would fit for sure. You know, a little collared polo. You know, tucked into my Dockers with my brown leather belt. My high water pants. You can see my socks. That's back in style there for now for a little bit. That's back in style. Wearing your pants a little too short and show off the socks. I'll tell you, it went up $200 US dollars. Let's see if I did it. No, take, because I did math wrong. Take, doing math wrong, boss. Did math wrong. Did math wrong. You can do math on your own phone if you want to. But I told everybody on Saturday, and I readjusted that Saturday if you want to go look, but I readjusted that Saturday. Did the math wrong, my man. Told everybody on Friday, and then I was like, it hit me. I was playing Gran Turismo Friday night. It was like 11 o'clock, almost midnight. I'm playing Gran Turismo, literally, and it hits me. And I'm like, fuck, you fucked. I don't know how my brain, I was like, you messed up on the math. And so then I did it real quickly. I was like, you did mess up on the math. Because the first one was $12.47 if you got your own room. Divided by 2.5 days, $4.98, 80 cents. Okay, well, let me times that by 3.5. That's how long this one is. $17.45, 80 cents. So literally like $1.20 off from 1747, which is nuts, to be crazy honest. And so there you go. But yeah, do the math. I was like, oh, you fucked. Joshua. Messed up, brother. And I'm not trying to charge. Ain't no way. I charge cheap enough already. I am not about to be charging. Well, I'll let it go. I charge way too cheap as it is. So I was like, I gotta make it 1747. I gotta stick to what I did last time. I can't be making it cheaper. Petey, why are you gonna try to go lay on his bed? No. Go, Petey. Go. No. Oh, Megal. Yes, Megal. I remember this one from the past. Well, ATCH is done. That's done. It cracked that level I talked about. She's done. Oh, that was a quick pop and then drop. If this stays below the VWAP, she's done. I bet she does. And now then that would mean watch for other movers like Steck or something to start popping on up, or another random mover possibly here from small caps. But yeah, no, I did the math wrong, bro. Did the math wrong. And it's actually up $300. But yeah, because it was, I had 1447, but I did the math wrong at 1747. It's like, man, you botched that one, brother. I don't know how I did. It makes sense when I think about it right out of the gate. I was like, how did I mess that up? I don't know what numbers I typed in. And whoa! What is going on this play? This is exactly why I don't trade these plays. This is exactly why I run away from plays like QVCB, DX, YZ. Good God almighty. Michael Jackson shoes. Yeah, exactly. Those are ugly. Yeah, IPOs are slowly but surely. That's what I said. Actually said that like 2-3 weeks ago, Jess. I said that's like the only trend I've seen here recently are new IPO plays. There you go. There's one. I was like, and here's one of them. I was like, here's this last week. Here's the one last week. I was like, I think GCO was one of them, if I'm not mistaken. I know, Margo. They're all like, oh, Dad, it's about time. And I do want to shut the stream down soon, team. Any last questions you guys have? Any last questions you guys have? Any last questions? Any last questions? Any last questions? Anything else before I'm done for the day? Website and Instagram. All my links. Here we go. Here they come. There's my website for the one-on-ones. Guys, if you need any help, you need to take advantage of these. Oh, Jess, yeah, there's been a few. No, there's been a few, Jess. I can't remember them all now. I just remember last week's. I'd have to start. That's why I can't wait for them. When I build my house, I'm going to get a big 365 a whole entire year. Like the whole entire year, it'll be up on the wall. So I got to have every single day up in front of me. I don't want like the little baby calendar I have to flip back through. I want the big ass guy so I can be like, oh, on this, and I can easily see like the big, I'll call it the big board or something. I can't wait to have that at the next house. So I could be like, well, on this day we had that, and that day we had the anyway. But I'll do that at the next house when I actually get it built. There's my website, though, for the one-on-ones team. Take advantage. Here is the morning alerts. Morning alerts, $30 a month. People, I'm telling you right now, if I knew the exact total, even what people lost, I guarantee you, overall, traders made over $500,000. And I'm not kidding you at all when I say traders made over $500,000 from the morning alerts last year. And that's including from what people lost and the ones that did cancel. CR Trader Rixie alone, I know, were $300,000 to almost $400,000 from 2 traders. So then I know there's a lot of others that were, doing really good off of them as well. If you need any help for $30 a month, you are not going to beat that deal. Not at all for $30 a month. There's the sign up link on YouTube as well. And of course, don't forget, team, I am doing the 2025 Summer Edition of the AKNR and DFW. Tickets go on sale Friday. Look to have that booked in through the next week into the following Friday, which is the last trading day of this month. The last day of this month is this Friday the 28th. Tickets go on sale Look to have that book by the following Friday, the 7th of March. And Tay, you better believe I'll enjoy it. Enjoy it a lot. Oh yeah, Rachel Hayden. Nobody's stealing Rachel, guys. That's my girl. Okay, you go find your own. That's mine. Okay, that's my day pass. Okay, that's my, what's it called, hall pass, whatever it's called. You go find your own hall pass. Okay. Lost boys, lost girls. I'll see you back here tomorrow morning. Have a great, safe, blessed, food-filled rest of your day. I will probably stop my stream before I head out here, so this stream will be down in the next like 30 minutes. So if you need anything, go over to Dex Lobby or J Trades or anything like that. This lobby will be coming to a close very soon. I will see you all back here tomorrow in the morning. It's time for me to have fun.
You got my heart, nobody gonna take it over. You got my soul, nobody gonna tell me different. You got my heart, you got my loving, baby, my loving, baby. You got my heart, nobody gonna take it over. You got my soul, nobody gonna tell me different. You got my heart, you got my loving, my loving, baby, my loving, baby. Nobody gonna take it over. You got my soul. Nobody gonna tell me different. You got my heart. You got my loving, baby. 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 My loving, baby.
And maybe I don't want your love. And maybe I don't want your love. And maybe, and maybe, and maybe, and maybe.
Don't have to wait, you know my name. Sunshine and rain, some things don't change. Thinking about the days we were young, we were younger. Innocent in our ways, we were dumb.
Why am I so alone? Loving bubblegums with friends. Loving bubblegums with them. Bubble blower is my gun. Blowing bubbles so they reach the sun. But maybe they'll pop in from my eyes. Yeah, maybe they will not realize that in my head hidden wishes I sent to the sky. But maybe they'll pop in front of my eyes. With friends, with them. It's my gun. So they reach the sun. Maybe they'll pop in from my eyes. Yeah, maybe they will not realize that in my head hidden wishes I sent to the sky. But maybe they'll pop in front of my eyes. There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. I wish that you were here. I wish that you There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face
what we are feeling at that moment. Feels like we're far, so far away, and face to face with life we've stolen. I will lost our minds, no one can feel what we are feeling at that moment. Feels like we're far, so far away, and face to face with life we've stolen. I will remember every touch, got nothing to compare to this.
Whose dream has become his nightmare, his duty, and his mission. That last long kiss on a fragile December. Is there mercy for the man who knows only his ambition?
here and I'm done. I'm done. When the sun rays my window, rainbow will come out, changing the skin tone. I won't cry for you. I won't shed a tear. I used to be so weak, but I forgot my feelings. Skin tone. I won't cry for you. I won't shed a tear. I used to be so weak, like I forgot my feelings. Oh, oh, oh.
somebody, let somebody go. Somebody know me better. I thought that I miss her more, but I wake up and I feel better. Cause I let somebody, let somebody, let somebody. We've been going on forever. There's no more crying on the floor. And she said it's now or never. So I let somebody, let somebody, let somebody go. I let somebody, let somebody, let somebody go. I let somebody, let somebody, let somebody go. Straight to the heart. I've been a long time and love comes and broke. Get apart by you. Somebody know me better. I thought that I would miss her more, but I wake up and I feel better. Cause I let somebody, let somebody, let somebody. We've been going on forever. There's no more crying on the floor. And she said it's now or never. So I let somebody, let somebody, let somebody go. Ooh. I let somebody, let somebody, let somebody go. Ooh. I let somebody, let somebody, let somebody go. Straight to the heart. I've been a long time and love comes and broke. Get apart by you. Somebody, let somebody go.